Hello vlog world, hello. It's a Friday. About to go pick up Alante right now, and we're gonna head to go get the rental because we're going to Chi-Town. A mad thing, you know, vlog? Mad move, always. Always buckle up. But yeah, Chicago, never been there. It's my first time driving this far too, so I never drove this far before, so I'm really excited about this trip. You know what I mean? A mad thing.
Here comes the Rasta. Dog, why you always coming with the camera out, dog?
A mad thing. When you don't know the things that already. Hello.
I've been in your seat, why it's so damn back?
A long story that man. About to get some fuel for the road. Starbucks. They say I do it for the vlog, right? Huh? Best. Alright, vlog. So I just came to the house, just parked my car in the back, and this is the rental that we have. Alante just got his driver's license not even 6 months ago, so he sucked. That's a nice little rental to go to Chicago, you know what I mean?
I know they made it cross smaller than my car. I'm like, oh shit.
Ready? Yes, Alante, ready?
The lobster.
Ready vlog world, ready? Chicago!
Ready.
Just I do it for the vlog. Hello. You gonna say what's up to my vlog?
Hi.
So we about to go to what? Lollapalooza.
No.
She got the $400 for me.
Yeah, okay.
Downtown Chicago. The first train ride was amazing. It was exquisite. How you like it, right? Number one trains for me. Under that, walk back. Best restaurant in Chicago. How good is the deep dish pizza?
You'll find out.
I'll find out.
You'll find out.
I'll find
For
out.
yourself.
Also, it's my first time drinking red wine.
Look at that. That's how it comes.
She wanted me, bro.
Alright, so Chicago style deep dish pizza right here. It just looks like cheese with a. This looks like it's all cheese, man.
It just smells really
With
good.
a crust, barbecue chicken, mud thing. I like to what it's move like I'm a social media freak now. You don't know. Mud thing. And I drink some red wine with it. Alright, so we just came back from the deep dish place.
Guys, it's about to rain. Let's hurry.
Headed into the downtown area.
You feel it?
It's absolutely incredible. Absolutely. Chicago. Chicago bound. You see me with a pink backpack. A mad thing. So we just got down to the downtown area. I've been here like 16 times before this. Don't worry.
Lying ass.
Lying ass.
What's
what?
up, Scope?
First of all, this is vlog. This is vlog, bro.
Well, what's up, vlog? My bad. You've been doing stuff all day. I thought it was here, Scope.
You said we're turning right. Look on the crowd.
Actually, cross first.
Look on the crowd.
You got 10 seconds. Come on.
Say so. Go.
to this beautiful part that I brought them to this part. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I brought you guys here, man. Man, you ain't gonna hit that backflip though. You ain't gonna hit that backflip. Monks. Never seen monks in my life. That was the first time I ever seen that. That was crazy. That was good. What do you feel about the Shaolin monks?
Who?
The Shaolin monks.
As long as they don't try to kick me, we good, you know. Gotta let everybody,
You know, man. Come on. This dude is racist. So you know we had to come to the famous what?
Bean.
The famous what?
Bean.
So here it is. The big balls of Chicago. Bean. I can't even see my face.
You're not even on it.
I'm not, and look at the long take, but man. That's crazy. Alright, we're leaving the downtown area. Iba, Riley, Gooseman, Marty. Chicago nightlife. Doing it for this vlog.
Why would she get go up over there?